Hey friends, do you want soft, glowing and smooth skin? Today I will show you a simple homemade method that really works. You need just a few natural ingredients: honey, milk and oats. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of oats to make a smooth paste. Gently apply the paste to your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and feel your skin soft, smooth and glowing. Use this method 2 or 3 times a week for amazing result. If you love this method, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share your glowing result with us.